In this video, you'll learn how to create a password on Notion. By following these steps, you will secure your Notion account with a personalized password, enhancing your data protection. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open a web browser and enter, quote, notion.so, quote, into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which features various options and a login button at the top right corner. Next, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu allows you to access various account settings and options, including your account information. After that, select the option labeled Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to a new screen displaying various settings for your Notion account. You should see different categories on the left side, such as General, Account, and Workspace. Once you are on the settings page, click on Account in the left sidebar. This section contains important account-related options, including password settings and account security features. Now find and click on the option labeled My Account. This will direct you to a page specifically for managing your account details, where you can change your password and all the personal information. Next, look for the password section on this page. Click on it to proceed to the password management interface. This section allows you to add or change your password securely. After that, click on the button labeled Add Password. This action will initiate the process of setting up a new password for your Notion account. You will see fields for entering your new password. Now click on Set a Password. This will prompt you to define your new password, ensuring it meets the necessary security requirements. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enter a new password into the designated field. It is essential to choose a password that you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. Ensure that it meets any specified criteria that may appear on the screen. You will then need to re-enter your password in a separate field to confirm your choice. This step is crucial to avoid any typing errors and ensure that both entries match exactly. Once you've confirmed your password, click on Set a Password again to finalize the process. This action will save your new password and activate it for your Notion account. Finally, click on Close to exit the password setting interface. At this point, you should have successfully created a password for your Notion account, enhancing your account security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial